I'm just sprucing up my lipstick because, you guys, I'm on my way to a White Affair birthday celebration. If you want to know more, then stick around. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Jill, and this is Jill Style. So, if this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around, and I hope you decide to become part of the JS family. If you are already part of the JS family, hugs and blessings to you. Hugs and blessings. So, you guys, I was invited to a White Affair birthday celebration. Yes, it's hosted by Penny at Penny's Lifestyle Living, Anna at Anna the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. It's their birthday months. Yes, it's their birthday month, so we're going to help them celebrate. We also have co-hosts who are Simone at Creations by Simone, and then we have Denise at Denise Glam Lifestyle Living. So I'll have each lady's link listed in my description box down below, so make sure you check them out. I will also be using the hashtag, let me get it right, a White Affair Birthday 22. I'll have it in the title and in the description box. So if you have a hard time with the playlist, just click the link and it'll take you to those other videos. So in this birthday celebration, they asked that we create a look using the color white, and you could use a pop of color if you like. So you could do a tablescape, you could do a vignette, whatever your heart's desire. I chose to do a vignette. So I want you to watch closely at my vignette because it's going to change a couple of times. Maybe 3 times. I'm not sure. You got to keep watching to find out. So to my JS family and all the new people who are watching, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Keep watching.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Darkness can't stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면 Girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane. Oh.